Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at reversing these slides in a slideshow. For example, what you might want to do is have something that's set up to play automatically. So you want to play through your presentation and then you want to reverse it again. And you can do this a lot more easily than duplicating slides and trying to rearrange them yourself. I've already got a presentation here that I've created and it's been saved. The save part is really important because what we're going to do is click here on New Slide and come down here to Reuse Slides. What I'm going to do is reopen this exact same presentation. So I'm going to browse, find it and open it. So now I have the exact same presentation open on the left-hand side of the screen as a source for possible reusable slides and the presentation I'm working on. I'm going to click here on the presentation I'm working on the last slide. I want the new slides to go in below it. This is the same slide here, so this one and this one are the same. So I don't want to duplicate this one, but I want to duplicate these others. Well, if I'm going to do a presentation that's going to go round in a loop, I want the three middle ones here. And of course, this could be 10, 20, 100 slides. All you're going to do is click on the ones that you want in order. So I'm going to go click, 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 and I've got those three slides now moved across and added to this presentation in the order that I wanted them, and I didn't have to do the rearranging myself. All I had to do was click on them, so I'm just working back up the list. When you're done, you can just close that panel down. You don't need that set of slides anymore because this is your new presentation. So I hope that the next time that you have to reverse the slides in a presentation, you're able to then save your slideshow, reopen it over here in the left-hand panel by choosing New Slide and Reuse Slides, and then go and grab the slides that you want much more easily than duplicating and moving them around in this panel and trying to keep track of getting them in the right order. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me how useful this video will be to you. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.